When upgrading your home, it's natural to look for features that combine style, performance, and convenience. For homeowners in Washington, where weather conditions can range from damp and chilly to bright and sunny, low-maintenance specialty windows offer a smart solution. These windows not only enhance your home's appearance but also reduce the time and effort required to keep them looking and performing their best. Specialty windows are designed to stand out. Unlike standard window styles, they often feature unique shapes, larger glass areas, or custom configurations that add architectural interest to your home. From arched and circular windows to expansive picture or geometric designs, these windows can transform both the interior and exterior of your space. The best part? Modern materials make it easier than ever to enjoy these design features without the hassle of constant upkeep. One of the key benefits of low-maintenance specialty windows is the use of durable materials. Vinyl and fiberglass are two of the most popular choices for Washington homeowners. These materials are resistant to moisture, which is especially important in a climate that often includes rain and humidity. Unlike traditional wood frames, they won't warp, rot, or require frequent repainting, making them ideal for long-term performance. Another advantage is their resistance to weather-related wear. Washington's climate can expose windows to rain, wind, and temperature fluctuations. Low-maintenance specialty windows are built to handle these conditions without losing their shape or effectiveness. This durability ensures that your windows continue to look great and function properly for years, even with minimal care. Cleaning is also much simpler with modern window designs. Many specialty windows are made with smooth, non-porous surfaces that resist dirt buildup. This means you can easily wipe them down with basic cleaning solutions to maintain a clear, polished appearance. For larger or uniquely shaped windows, this ease of cleaning is a major benefit. Glass technology also contributes to low maintenance. Many specialty windows feature advanced coatings that help reduce streaking, water spots, and buildup from outdoor elements. Some options even include coatings that minimize UV exposure, protecting your interior furnishings from fading while keeping your windows looking cleaner for longer. Energy efficiency is another important factor that adds to their value. Low-maintenance specialty windows are often designed with insulated glass and tight seals that help regulate indoor temperatures. In Washington, where maintaining comfort during cooler months is essential, this improved insulation can make a noticeable difference. By reducing heat loss and preventing drafts, these windows help create a more comfortable living environment while lowering energy costs. Because specialty windows are often fixed, non-operable, they have fewer moving parts. This reduces the likelihood of mechanical issues and eliminates the need for regular adjustments or repairs. Fewer components mean less wear and tear over time, which translates to lower maintenance requirements overall. In addition to their practical benefits, specialty windows enhance your home's aesthetic appeal. Their unique shapes and designs can serve as focal points, adding character and style to any room. Whether you're highlighting a living area, staircase, or entryway, these windows bring in natural light while elevating the overall design of your home. Customization options allow you to tailor your windows to your specific preferences. You can choose frame colors, finishes, and glass styles that complement your home's interior and exterior. This ensures your windows not only perform well but also align with your personal style. Professional installation is essential to achieving the full benefits of low-maintenance specialty windows. Proper installation ensures a secure fit, effective sealing, and optimal performance. This step is key to preventing issues such as drafts, moisture intrusion, or misalignment. Ultimately, low-maintenance specialty windows offer a perfect balance of beauty and practicality. For Washington homeowners, they provide a way to enhance your home's design while minimizing upkeep and maximizing performance. If you're looking for an upgrade that delivers long-term value without added maintenance, specialty windows are a smart choice. With the right materials and expert installation, you can enjoy a home that feels brighter, more comfortable, and easier to care for every day.